The effort to keep our community safe and healthy can mean staying away from doctors' offices when folks are sick, but people across our region have had scheduled appointments that many think are now in jeopardy. News 5's Kevin Berry explains what happens for those patients.
While Cleveland braces for the coronavirus, pediatrician Dr. Shelley Senders stresses routine doctor's appointments, checkups, and other well visits are still okay.
The goal is for pediatric offices to be able to segregate sick people from well people.
At Senders Pediatrics, scheduled appointments are still happening. Throughout his building, Dr. Senders is taking 3 big steps.
So one of the things that we're doing is we're actually treating our air.
Along with separate rooms for sick patients in a separate part of the building, with visits in the parking lot, where children never leave the car, keeping sick children away from well children.
That's one of the ways of really being able to reassure people that that we've got their back.
At larger hospital facilities like Metro Health, University Hospitals, and the Cleveland Clinic, doctors are encouraging patients to video conference or give them a call if they're sick and not come into the office.
Now, if you happen to be sick and you have a fever and a cough, we'd rather you not be around others.
That's why Cleveland Clinic Dr. Matthew Feynman says his virtual express care clinic has seen a lot more users over the past few days.
In the last week, we have seen a tremendous, a tripling of the volume that we would normally see during this period of time.
The clinic, along with university hospitals and Metro Health, are urging patients to use virtual visits, whether they're sick or not. Large gatherings of people in a waiting room only increase the chance that any sickness can spread. Virtual visits can be faster, limit exposure, and if someone needs more attention, that's when they can come into a medical facility in person.
So we're not going to tell people not to do things if that's what's appropriate.
In Lyndhurst, I'm Kevin Barry, News 5.